Imagine diving underwater and still hearing your favorite playlist with crystal clarity. Xiaomi's latest innovation makes this possible. Meet the Xiaomi Bone Conduction Headphones 2, earphones designed not just for your daily jog or gym session, but for the water too. These next-generation headphones are built for adventure, packing in upgrades that make them perfect for swimmers, surfers, and water sports enthusiasts. Rated for submersion up to 5 meters for 2 hours, they go where traditional earphones can't. Unlike regular earphones, these use bone conduction technology, sending sound vibrations through the bones of your skull straight to your inner ear. The result? Clear audio while keeping your ears open to the world around you. But here's the real game changer, a dedicated swimming mode. It's engineered to deliver crisp, distortion-free sound underwater. And since Bluetooth won't cut it underwater, Xiaomi added onboard storage. Simply load up your favorite tracks and leave your phone behind. A 165 mAh battery keeps the music going for up to 12 hours on a single charge, long enough for your longest workouts and swim sessions. Available now in sleek black and crisp white, the Bone Conduction Headphones 2 launch in China at an introductory price of around $97. Xiaomi's Bone Conduction Headphones 2 are redefining what your earphones can do. The only question is, are you ready to take the plunge?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.